All right, so I am in Mission Point,
San Diego, California, Point Loma.
Point Loma, and we are with a group of trikers, recumbent riders, and we're about to start a ride in the San Diego area along the coast. We got Larry and William. Hoppy, we'll be talking to him a little bit more later because he's got a home-built, just phenomenal looking contraption, trike, velo thing. Mike, Glenn, and Jackie. So it's a gorgeous day and a phenomenal day for a trike ride. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. So we're going to take the Pacific Coast bike route?
The Pacific, no, this is the San Diego bike trail.
Okay. Yeah. We got Hoppy here, and he's just amazing velo, home built. This is big city riding. So we're crossing the road and we're getting on the San Diego bike trail. So we're making a turn, we're gonna be crossing the bridge. Hobby needs a little help negotiating this turn. Here he comes. Yeah, baby. That's really pretty here. Kind of a steep embankment here. Woo, woohoo, woohoo.
Looks good, Hoppy. Bring your wine. Keep going. Going off the road. That's okay. I'll get him. I'll get you. Hang on.
Oh, Hoppy's caught. Hoppy's got a wheel stuck. It's too steep for one. Oh, he's got it though. Mike is strong.
Mike is strong.
Wow, good job.
Mike has good counterweighting.
Woo! All right, here we go. All together again. Just another gorgeous day for a trike ride. Bombing around the trails of San Diego. So we are at a park and you can take, what are they called? Is it a gondola? Mike? Gondola, yeah. So you can take a gondola from the park across to SeaWorld. How fun is that? Okay, so this ride is coming to an end. We're pulling into Liberty Station where we started. Gorgeous day, just wonderful riding with everybody. We got Michael and Hoppy back here. Well, super fun riding with you guys. Really, thank you. It was just a spectacular day.
It was. A lot of good sightseeing.
Yeah. Well, we really rode around a lot. What did we end up with? 30 miles? 30? 31.4. Just about 32 miles. Really great, you guys.
I got 67. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
And on the electric assist, I started out, the eco mode always estimates 62 miles, and I still have 54 miles estimated that I could keep riding. So, you know, I gotta say this electric assist goes a long way. These batteries are really something. So, all right, let me know what you guys think. Leave a message in the comment section below, and as always, thank you for watching.